Want to snag that must-have item on eBay without breaking the bank all at once? Let's explore how to use Clearpay, also known as Afterpay, on eBay to split your payments into manageable installments. First, make sure your eligible Clearpay is available on eBay for purchases between a certain minimum and maximum amount, which may vary, and you'll need a Clearpay account. Head to eBay.com or open your eBay app and start shopping. Browse through eBay and add the items you love to your cart. Once you're ready to check out, click on the shopping cart icon in the top right corner. On the checkout page, scroll down to the payment options section. Here, you should see Clearpay as a payment method. Select Clearpay. If you don't see Clearpay, it might not be available for your specific purchase amount, or the seller might not offer it. Also, make sure your eBay account region is supported by Clearpay. You'll be redirected to Clearpay to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one following the prompts. Review your payment schedule. Clearpay will show you the dates and amounts for each installment. Typically, the first installment is due at the time of purchase. Confirm your payment plan and finalize your purchase. Once confirmed, eBay will process your order. You can manage your Clearpay installments through the Clearpay app or website. Here, you can track your payments, view your order details, and even make early payments if you want to pay off your balance faster. And that's it. You've successfully used Clearpay on eBay. Enjoy your purchase and the convenience of spreading out your payments.